Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add animations to your slides and to your elements that you have inserted into your slides. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the project section and tap on the project you want to edit. Then you should select either a slide or an element that you have added and you would like to apply an animation to it. So just simply select that one, slide to the right side at the bottom of the screen till you find the animate button. And here you can find a bunch of options that you can choose from, such as fade, breathe, pan, rise, tumble, wipe, drift, stomp, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you want to apply, and here you can see how it looks like when you insert the correct one. You can make further adjustments by tapping on it again, and you can select whether you would like it, like the animation to appear when it is entered or when it exits. So here you can find further animations down below, organized into categories such as basic or exaggerate. So that's how you can do this very simply. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.